Hello crochet friends, and welcome back to your ABCs, Absolute Beginner Crochet series, where I walk you through the absolute basics of crochet. My name is Sammy with Yarn Over Hook, and in today's video we are going to learn how to do a half double crochet. So I feel like this stitch gets a lot of flack. It gets a lot of hate, but it also gets a lot of love, especially from me. I love how dense this stitch is, but it's not a single crochet. And I also love the length that it gives to my project, but it's not a double crochet. I think that it's a perfect happy medium between those two stitches, and I'm really excited to teach you how to do that today. So let's get started. So as I was saying, this stitch is a perfect medium between the single and double crochet, and it also sort of combines the methods of those two stitches as well. First, you're going to yarn over so that you essentially have two loops on your hook, but this is more considered your feeding yarn than a loop. You'll insert your hook into that previous row's stitch. So now you have a V, as well as that feeding yarn loop and that starting loop there. Then you'll yarn over, pull it through that V only. Then you have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. You'll yarn over and pull it through again. That was a little tight, so I'm going to loosen that up a little bit and do it one more time. Yarn over, so we have 1, 2 on our hook. Insert your hook right underneath the V. So now we have our V and 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over again, pull it through that V. Now we have 1, 2, 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull it through all 3 of those loops. Look at how nice that is. I love this stitch. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, slip your hook into that stitch. So now we have a V and 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull underneath that V. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. And there you have it, a half double crochet. I hope you find this stitch as enjoyable as I do. I hope that it levels up your projects, maybe going from single crochet to this nice half double crochet. Let us know what you make with this stitch. I would love, love, love to hear it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding that bell so that you are notified when we upload new videos. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!